There's no auction this week, so I'm doing a quick what sold video.
It's the back row bidder.
Some unique items that I sold in the month of August. You may not know that they're resellable and have value. Did you know you could make money selling metallic bookmarks? Good reaction. Maybe that'll go on the thumbnail.
Metallic book. What is a metallic bookmark?
A bookmark made out of metal.
Really?
Yeah.
That sounds dangerous.
I got $18.34 for this one.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you just sell it?
Is that your real response?
Yes.
This seems like an infomercial.
Oh, tell me more. Easy to pack, easy to ship, easy to store.
This is an infomercial. And
there's more.
Yeah, easy. I didn't even know I bought it. It came with a bunch of ephemera. It was kind of shoved in with it. What would you pay for an electric pencil sharpener?
$42 on Temu.
I got one for sale for you at home, hon.
No kidding. Well, I got 19 something for this one. So.
Nobody uses pencils anymore.
Everybody uses pencils.
I just sold some pencils. I just shipped them out yesterday. They're vintage.
Not used a pencil in 3 years. Since COVID, I have not used a pencil.
Well, there are still people that make mistakes, Izzy.
Yeah, well, not all of us can be perfect.
Oh.
Silver-plated Oneida forks. I actually screwed up on this listing. I said it was dinner forks. I did not realize that actually more than half of them were salad forks. The person messaged us, complaining about my error, and we offered, we said, initiate a return, and we'll
honor the return.
Yeah, we'll honor it and give you a refund, and I'm guessing they're going to keep it now because it's been a while. Speaking of things that nobody uses anymore, sold this iron, and it's mid-century, I don't know, 50s, I think. You can see the description and the price in the little picture I provided, because I'm not smart enough to bring my phone with me while I'm recording. Vintage Samsonite travel bag. You know what I got for that? $40.
Was that $39.99?
$39.50.
Did it come with a free gift?
No.
Oh.
It almost came with about a pound of grease and dust. I had to clean it quite a bit. It was greasy. I think it was kept in a kitchen. Mugs. When I first started reselling, I was following this guy that said he made $100 grand a year just selling mugs online. He's gone now. Like, I can't even find his old channel, so I think he was full of it. But you do find some. There are a few like this one where I got almost 15 bucks for it. And that's a plus. That's good. Kind of rare.
Like, what are you paying for?
Like $1 to $3 for a whole flat of them.
Oh yeah, definitely. Pennies on the dollar.
But most of them end up being re-donated or something. This one I tried to sell on Nady Pie's auction. I don't remember what I asked for it, but it's a vintage aluminum sugar thing, and it's sold. If you can get a whole set, it's a lot better, but sometimes the individual canisters will sell. Hubcaps nobody else wanted. I got them cheap. $85, and these are for a 75 Impala, which isn't really a hot rod or a collector car. Don't sleep on hubcaps. Lost my wife in the Dollar Tree. $17.50 for a damaged Michael Jordan cereal box. Why are you laughing at me?
Because I'm really zoned in on trying to find a dog thing, and I hear you yakking.
Disney glasses for $29. How much would you pay for cufflinks and a tie pin?
About, I don't know.
$27.50.
$27.50. Good job.
Yeah, that is exactly what I said.
Adventure Force set for $29.97, or bongos for $29.50. This entire video was shot on this rotary phone before I sold it for 30 bucks. Decisions. This one. Howdy, handsome. That's my what sold video of notable things sold during the month of August. If you find these things out in the wild and can get them cheap, they're worth reselling, right?
Yes.
We're all hungry and tired from shopping.
We're angry.
We're hangry people. Thanks for stopping by. Floss daily. And watch Beardos and stuff.
I thought you were gonna say watch for deer.
Watch out for deer, eh? Say hi to your folks. That sounds really cheesy. By the way, the most annoying thing in the world, gas station TV. Thank God there's a mute button.
I should just say 2750 and then you dub over my voice later.
My kids are giggling in the back. I don't like kids. What would you pay for an electric pencil sharpener?
Huh?
Whoa. Does it even say on there? I don't know. But you can... Frickin' bees?
From the 50s? Is that what?
I don't know. I didn't know there'd be a quiz.